Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this long overdue videos. This was actually to be done since in January, but I was super busy with work. So today I actually found the time to get it done. So I do hope you guys love this video, share it. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, and comment. I appreciate it. So let's jump right into this video. Here I have some water. I'm adding sugar and salt. We are going to be making a brine for the chicken thighs. So we're going to allow this to sit here for about 4 to 5 hours. Then these are the rest of the ingredients, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So now we're going to be making our stock. To my water, I'm adding some soy sauce, salt, sugar, Chinese 5-spice, some white pepper, ginger and garlic, star anise, some green onions, and bay leaves. Make sure to stir, and then we are going to cover and bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to add our chicken and let this cook for about 15 minutes. Looks absolutely amazing. The smell is, oh my gosh, guys, you just have to make this one. And the stock, guys, please do not throw the stock away. We are going to use this for some amazing Chinese fried rice. So you're going to let that cool overnight or for 6 hours. Then we are going to fry until this is nice and golden brown. Remove and place in a baking rack. Then we are going to cut up and serve. This was eaten with some amazing Chinese fried rice. As I mentioned, the stock we made for the chicken. Please do not throw that away. We are going to use that in our next recipe. So again, do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.